Hi everyone, it's Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're filming in our brand new awning studio here in Nuneaton, Warwickshire. Today we've got a real showpiece awning from Dometic. So this is the Dometic HUB model. It's been very popular in 2022. I'm sure it will be going forward. Great thing about this awning is not only it's very stylish and very unique in its sort of cube design, you've also got a lot of different options of what you can use it for and what you can do with it. So in terms of the actual dimensions, so it's 2.3 by 2.3 meters, really nice and spacious. But if you need that further sleeping space, you can simply zip in the sleeping annex either to the right hand side or the left hand side, or both. So again, loads of customizable options there. We'll talk about the sort of window panels and how you can connect it to your vehicle as we move around the awning. But some other key exterior features worth noting. So it comes with the Dometic Weather Shield Pro fabric. So real best in class fabric, really good and waterproof, and sort of UV stabilized. So you know it's really going to last the test of time. Really good quality fabric. Moving on then to the air beam system. So as you can see, really nice robust air beams in the hub. Comes with a single point inflation. So again, real quick pitch, real nice and easy to get up. And then you've got your deflation points again on each of the beams. So really strong awning when it comes to the wind, keeping it nice and stabilized. In terms of your strapping, so you've got these really nice heavy duty webbing straps here. Again, also on the Annexe as well here. Also to note, if you're in windier conditions, you have got the points in here for further storm straps to keep it nice and hunkered down. We'll now just walk around the awning and talk about how it connects to your vehicle. Okay guys, so we're on the side of the hub now, and again, worth mentioning that when you purchase the hub, you actually just purchase it freestanding without any of the panels. So again, great for if you want to use it as a gazebo, either on the campsite or in your back garden. Perfect shelter from that point of view. But then again, you've got all the versatility that we mentioned. So you can add on as many of these door window panels as you want to make it a fully enclosed awning. Or like I say, if you need that extra sleeping space, you can zip in an annex as well. As we then move back, as you can see, you've got the connection tunnels here. So you've got two choices. So the first of which being for your VW camper vans. So any of those camper vans with a height range of 180 to 210, the tunnel will be absolutely perfect for. Or if you've got an SUV and you want to use the hub alongside that, again, any vehicles from 160 to 210, that tunnel's perfect for as well. So as I'll say again, such a versatile and stylish awning, whether you use it freestanding or as a driveway awning. It's definitely going to get you noticed on the campsite, and I think it'll be a really popular model for Dometic going forwards. So if you've got any questions or any further inquiries about the hub or any other awnings you'd like us to do a review on, please comment in the comments below, and we'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching.